And as far as I remember, you know, I you did close out the court case, you know. Can't risk case you talk about, cat, man. Yo, cat, man, yo, any case are closed, you know, cat, you don't know. My case closed already, me and my babes, you know. Love her, you know. Forever love you, don't know till death.
Lady, I'm gonna big up IT.
Hi, IT. Hi, girls.
Worries in the house, worries tonight, worries in the living room, worries tonight. Boy, and I get chop off tonight. Anyways, as you can see, it's another IT and Fancy Cat show, so prepare to laugh. Ensure you're not eating any rice, ensure you're not drinking any water. If you need anything to drink it after. And last but not least, like the video friend. No, because you'll be laughing so hard you'll forget to like the video. And YouTube start fight the channel again. So by you liking, you're helping the channel grow. Now let's jump into the laughing. No coughing.
All my life I wanted to be Musa.
Oh, Lord. Oh, my gosh. Somebody help me. Help this man. Somebody can please help this man. Some water. I mean, stinking shoes can help you.
Hey, you never hear about the man who faint in front of a restaurant and one woman run come at about. Here or no? Give me a sweet orange to revive him. The man just say, move a strawberries, man. See me faint in front of a restaurant, you know. If me want orange, me da faint down a market.
Anybody have any stewed peas for this man? Help me now, please. You need help. Somebody give me some stewed peas. You want the item one?
Hey, it look like this thing work. Well, watch and see as my belly full. I go straight go faint in front of them. The nearest bank.
Easy Rasta. Easy Bubba Jen. You eat oxtail or a pig tail nice stew peas. Well, I don't deal with pig, so I must oxtail. But Rasta not eat meat. Bubba don't eat meat. Nothing to eat meat. Fire upon that. Anyways, since this work, I want to make sure I go on Mercedes-Benz go faint. May I move forward. If you haven't liked the videos yet, just like it. It costs $0 and 0 cents to like the videos. Don't be annoyed by me asking if you like the video. YouTube does fight the channel. But when you like the video, I'm gonna fight back for me. Respect.
Yes, boss.
Steve, I see you not in office and I hear you calling sick. You alright?
I catch with your flu, yeah, I know.
Boss, jumping at people in mistress. Mistress. How many of you fake sick and call in and life or sickness just finna go to work? Or if you go deal with things or go look for man or woman or whatever? One time, my first and only job in Jamaica, I worked there for 3 years. And one time in 3 years I ever called in sick. And guess what me call in sick? New girl come on me yard come check me. And me like new girl. And you see me I say me like, you know what, I've never called in sick. When me call in, everybody frightened. Like, you're sick? Really? You calling in? Yeah man. But anyways, IT and Fancy Cat. I don't know where they get the idea from, but it show them nice. No. For the introduction piece, we reach that point. So grab your honey because you're gonna laugh so till you start cough and your throat might sore. But we're gonna like your video before all of that happen.
Okay.
Yeah! I say!
Yo, where's the cat?
Why you miss out by the party and the party turn up? Hey! You remember the tree girl them there? We were up on the club or so one night.
Yo, no man, it's straight girl man, we are talking about man, it's straight girl.
What to your face? How your face looks so?
Yo, but I don't know where you talk about, I remember that man, where you talk about man. I must have rose where you talk cat man.
What me? Anyway, you remember the girl them man, you saw them body firm like them practice law.
Yo,
Okay.
And as far as I remember, you know, and you did close out the court case, you know.
Cat risk case, you talk about cat man. Yo, cat, man, yo, any case are closed, you know, cat, you don't know. My case closed already, me and my babes, you know. Love her, you know, forever love, you don't know, till death.
Lady, I'm gonna big up IT.
Hi, T. Hi, girls. Hi, Kat.
Hey, what happened?
What were you and my boo talking about? Close what case again? What's this?
I'm not here, you.
Really?
You break up.
What?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Alright,
Babes, you don't know, me don't really like me, I'm like, I don't know everything, you know, me don't really.
Close the case.
I'll find that number pocket.
She do it again. She beat him. You know see the boy girl ill treat him, man and girlies. Two perfect songs for finish out the scene there. Now, me have a dilemma. Me wonder me have to cut out the scene there with the songs because boy, me think me know the reason why YouTube a play with my channel. Me upload a few the Elephant Man video. It was a long video and a long form and they banned the whole thing because they say copyright can't be seen. And me delete it and chop it up and upload around 3 pieces and then say copyright can't be 1 out of 3 upload. And then me upload some Oliver copyright again and me delete them. So me I wonder if I bag a copyright things, them a clamp down on my channel, but I don't know. But when you don't like your video and share the video, then just can't fight it. Cause when you like it and you share it, somebody else gonna watch it. And then when them share it, somebody else gonna watch it. So YouTube cannot fight it. So, but we hope you like the video still. IT and Fancy Cat. Listen to me now. Don't cheat on your wife, don't cheat on your girlfriend, don't cheat on your husband, ladies. Don't cheat on your baby father. Just be faithful. And if you feel like you have a cheat, just leave. Because if you cheat, you can end up with a chop like with IT or a fan day where IT gonna get 9 night. Yeah. Something gonna go missing off him. But respect for watching. If you reach us, so just like your video for me. Appreciate you watching me, appreciate you sharing me, appreciate you liking me, appreciate everything. Now stay safe and God bless.